Back in Buenos Aires, I finally did the one thing I'd been avoiding for years: Caminito. The Instagram perfect houses, a tango show, La Bombonera 3 blocks away. Worthwhile stop or tourist trap? My own stake. This is Buenos Aires, and this is Trailblazing Adventures. You arrive, and the tourist sign greets you first. Then, the corner every guidebook puts on its cover. Tangueros dress for the picture. A Maradona impersonator working the street. A shop that charges you to pose with the goat on the balcony. Messi, a make-believe World Cup, and you waving to the crowd below. And that's when my fears start feeling confirmed. A few steps down Magallanes, a conventilio converted into a gallery. Nice stores, rather overpriced. And do we really need the fake laundry strung balcony to balcony? Apart from that, it's tastefully done, inviting. And honestly, an authentic conventilio is a social failing, not a tourist attraction. I go back to Caminito Street. Artists line the block. Their paintings match the colors around them. Tango dancers, neighborhood scenes. All of the artists chatty, not pushy, more like a proud explanation of their craft. Then the conversation moves into everything, from politics to mindfulness. It's just take a conversation. We end up talking with Adriana and buying one of her beautiful paintings. After all, this is what we look for in our travels: connection. Not just some box ticked or an I was here t-shirt. The tourist trap image starts to crack. Remember to subscribe for more content on Buenos Aires, Argentina, and on stakes on other destinations. You keep walking north, a couple of blocks, and you get a better flavor of El Barrio, the Boca Republic. And a proud balcony, El Pibe Maradona, and Pope Francis still greeting the crowd. Blue and yellow, a football team that's more passion than sport. Boca Juniors, and its temple, La Bombonera. Three sides of the stadium run steep and close, the fourth just vertical. The plot of land they had in 1940 didn't leave room for anything symmetrical. The result, a chocolate box, a bombonera in Spanish. For the same reason, the noise never really leaves, it just builds in every game. El Museo de la Pasión Boquense doesn't come cheap, but it's a must for any football enthusiast. As soon as you walk in, cutouts of Boca's historic players line the entrance. And of course, the star of them all, Maradona. A whole section on El Pibe de Oro and Boca's silverware on display. You get to tour the whole stadium, guided, in our case, by an enthusiastic bostera, a Boca fan, from a word that started as an insult, bosta, literally dung, and got worn as a badge of pride instead. We rehearse a goal scream on the bleachers, a step on the pitch, visit the locker rooms, and the football fan in me is in heaven. Time for a lunch, and we enter Caminito Tango show. From the street, we like what we saw. Someone playing guitar, not recording music, and two extraordinary talented dancers. We got some empanadas, proboleta, and a Malbec, and real artistry in the show.
Very good.
Caminito and La Boca are not tourist traps. It's how you approach it. It's not the Epcot version of Buenos Aires. Yes, it's made for tourists, absolutely, but in a way that's well presented, valuable, and enjoyable. I recommend it from anyone visiting Buenos Aires. And the perfect setup is to do Caminito in the morning and San Telmo in the afternoon. Here is our video on San Telmo, and as always, happy travels!